You have 2 minutes and 20 seconds left on your 20-minute timer.
Hey guys, welcome back to part 2. I'm trying to find it, but who actually even just ouch, my tail might be help me guys. I can't feel it anymore. Oh god, it still hurts right now. I hate my life.
What's your leg cat behind you?
Man, that hurts so bad. What the heck was that sound? Well, go. Someone's found it again.
You scared him. You won't do it.
Well, shoot. Looks like I gotta prepare myself because I don't want to deal with it anymore. Which just means... Wow, crap. Looks like I'm getting attacked again. Good. No one's attacking me or something. At least the coast is clear. Finally. Good thing that the coast is clear. I hope Emma won't find me in here. What the heck is that noise? It's the sound of a timer. Alexa, stop. Oh, what a...
Right.
What a... Oh god, that's so weird. Sorry about the cat. If you find the hen cat, let us know in the comment section below. This is so unfair. Ah, giant mom, help. Help. Well, crud. Looks like we're getting attacked by the kittens. The one that is terrified. I better go check on you. Oh, that's weird. Nobody's here. Where could they be? Okay, I know it must be somewhere else. You can't even find the hidden kittens. Well, bye. I'll see you soon. See you in the part final 3.